Today I'm unboxing all new HP 22F display. It is a 21.5 inch 3-side bezel-less display, and I will show you and review at the same time. So this is the box of this display, and these are some information regarding that MRP and all. And it comes with 1080 pixel resolution, and it is a micro edge design. It also comes with an IPS monitor, 178-degree wide angle viewing, 75 Hz speed and AMD FreeSync technology. And it also comes with an HDMI port and VGA port, both the ports. So these are some backside information of the box, as it is made in China, so some information in Chinese. So let's just unbox it and let me show you what's inside the box. As you can see, it is packed in a very good high quality box. In fact, I am unboxing this second time. I have already unboxed. And this is the, I think, display setup guide. Yeah, quick setup guide. Let me show you one by one. And this is the HDMI cable. Comes with this box. It is a very high quality HDMI cable, and the length of this cable is also quite enough. In fact, very good. You can easily connect your laptop or projector with this display. This is a power cable. Power cable is also very thick, and I can feel in my hand that it is made with very high quality material. And this is the VGA cable. See, all the cables comes with this box are made with very high quality material, and I think it will be very long lasting. So I must say HP has not compromised on the quality. And this is the other part of the cable. This is the adapter, power adapter. Plug in pin, and let me show you the details on this adapter if I can. You can pause the video and see the details if you want to. And this is the table mount stand. You can also table mount this display, because I think this is only the way you can use this display. This stand is made with high quality metal, and it is very strong. It can easily bear the weight of this display. It also comes with these kind of rubbers below the stand. And this is the other part of this stand. You need to attach this part with that stand, so that you can mount your display on this. You can attach this way, and you just need to fit this screw by your fingers. Setting up this display is very easy, anyone can do it, and it is very quick also. Okay, fine. So you just need to insert this part into a display. So let me show you the real gem of this box, and I mean the display. So this is that display. As you can see, it is packed in a very soft cover. Let's just uncover it. And here is the first look of this display. As you can see, it is very good looking, very beautiful display. Please add bezel-less. HP branding logo is also very good. Let me show you all the sides of this display, and as I have said, this three-side bezel-less, so edges are very small and it is thin from the back side also. Let me increase some brightness. So this is where you need to insert the table mount stand, which I have just set it up. You just need to insert this way, and it will spin. And the display is ready. You can also remove it easily. You just need to press here, and you just need to pull this stand up, and you can easily remove the stand. Let me just pull this display and mount on this table. The table is also very flexible. This display is tilting. You can tilt it frontward and backward. So this is how it looks once it is table mounted. The color of the display is very good, black and silver combination. And these are the bezels. It is almost zero edges, so you will enjoy working on this display, whether it is video editing or. And the below bezel is also comes with this beautiful HP logo and model number 22F. These are some setting buttons below the display. You can adjust brightness and all. And this is the back side. This is how it looks from the back side. The huge badging of HP and some ports. Yes, it comes with an HDMI port, VGA port, and power cable port. It also comes with a lock system. So to connect your laptop with this display, you just need to insert a power. It's insert an HDMI cable here in HDMI port. We need to insert the power cable here in power port, and the other part of the HDMI cable you need to insert in your laptop HDMI port this way. And that's it. You just need to give it a power supply, and here it goes. Switch on the display and just switch on your laptop, and your laptop screen will be projected here. So let me show you by opening the MS Word. You can get an idea that how it looks while working on MS Office. Or see, this is the best display if you want to work regarding like video editing, photo editing, graphic designing. Display resolution is very good. Camera is not doing justice 100%. And from here you can adjust your brightness. See, it is only 47% and it also looks so bright. There are some other options also, contrast and color controls and input controls and image control. Buttons are also very good, easy to use, and this is the information. And there are also some viewing modes in this display. As you can see, light blue, low blue light, night mode, reading mode, HP Enhance Plus. It is also comes with gaming mode, movie mode, photo mode. Different kinds of modes available. Different kinds of option in each mode. So overall, it is a very good display. I enjoy working on this display, and especially if you are working in video editing sector or graphic designing or any general office use or home use, this display is very good. So that's it, guys. If you want to know anything else apart from this review, just let me know in the comment section below and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so that you get the notification. Thank you so much.